Make sure to subscribe, like, and give this a big thumbs up. I'm sorry about the background noise. My dog is just barking. But earlier today, I went to Five Below. And guess what I found? I found poppets. I got 2 poppets. I got this clear, purple, and glittery one. And this blue one, it says glow. Let's see if this is glow in the dark later. Okay, so let's open these up. I'm going to open this one up first. I'll be back when I'm opened with it. So here's my purple octagon poppet. Okay, let's pop it. Ooh, this is the loud side. I think this is the loud side. Yeah, this is the loud side, I think. And this is the quiet side. Sorry. So, yeah. Okay, now I'm going to open this poppet. This hexagon poppet. I'll be back when I finish opening it. Okay, here's the blue poppet. Sorry for my dog, guys. This is the loud side, I think. Yeah, this is the loud side. And here's the quiet side. You can see, guys, this is not like a normal poppet. A normal poppet at the beginning usually has 3 pops, but this one has 4. I rate these 10 out of 10. Yeah. So, I think I'm going to put this under a light and see if this is actually glow in the dark. Okay. Okay, so I flashed this in the light. Sorry. Okay, let's put it more in the light. Just like so. You know. It was clear. The bubbles keep popping. Okay, that should be good enough. Okay, let's come in here and let's see if this is glow in the dark. Sorry, I fell. I don't think it's glowing, guys. So I don't think this poppet is glow in the dark. I think it's just the name called Glow. But these poppets are very nice. For some reason, this poppet is smaller than the purple one. I don't know why, but it just is. So I think I'm going to wash these to make them louder. I'll be back when I get these to the sink. Okay, guys, I got my poppet with soap. Now let's plop this down on the sink and put water on it. So dry on it. Can't pop it so good. There. Just throw some soap on there. Some soap. Okay. I think I got all the soap, guys. Okay, there's that poppet. Now let's put some soap on this poppet. Be back when it's done. Okay, there. I put soap on this poppet. Now let's put water. There we go. If you guys have a poppet too, I recommend washing them too. Or a dimple if they're dirty. I just want to make my puppet louder, so I decided to wash it. My new puppet. There. We go. But, sorry, guys. Okay, so now I'm going to do some ASMR with them. So first the blue one, loud side. Quiet side. Cool. This is how you pop the puppet with only 2 fingers. 2, 2, 2, 2. Oh no, I can't pop this. Oh wait, this one's popped. So let's turn to the side and pop it. Okay. And that's ran out too. So that's how you do that. And this is the purple puppet. Right here. Ooh, this is the loud side. And this is the quiet. So, that's what I just want to tell you guys. I got a new puppet at 5 Below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and give this a huge, huge thumbs up. See you in the next video. Puppet! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure to subscribe, like, and give this a big, huge, fat thumbs up. Today, I will be fake shopping. I have this stand, so I'm going to be pretending I'm shopping here. Have fun! Okay, so I think I'm going to go to this shop first. Ooh, there's a little basket to pick. They have puppets, guys! I think I'm going to get the puppets, of course. They have this puppet, and this nice puppet. So I'm going to get these puppets and this Trimple Dimple. Okay. Oh, guys, I found this really cute panda squishy, so I'm going to definitely get that. And I found this infinity cube right there, so I'm going to get this too. What else is there? Ooh, there's a pop tube, guys. I think I'm going to get this pop tube. Stress ball. Ooh, Neato. I think I'm going to get this Neato cartridge. Ooh, and this little stress ball. Okay. What else should I get, guys? Ooh, definitely this Flexagon. Guys, look, I found some magnet rings here. Ooh, a slime palette. Cool. I think I'm going to get that. Marble and mesh, guys, of course. Yeah. And I think I'm going to get this infinity cube and this monkey noodle. This blue monkey noodle. And I think I'm going to finish off. Let's go check. Ooh, bike chain, of course. Okay. I think I'm going to go check out. Hi. So, make sure to leave your items. Okay. So, guys, I'm going to put my items here. That's what she said to put. And I think she's going to scan them for me. Ah! Sorry, miss. Don't worry. Here. I slide, guys. The magnet rings. Okay. Put that down there for another customer. Okay, let's scan. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's. This is the scammer cam. Who scams all my fidgets? Scam. There we go. beep, 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 beep. That will be $30.99. Well, just $30, and the tax is 50 cents. Would you like a bag? Oh yes, I would love a bag. Okay, I'll help you put it in the bag. There you go. I love this job. There we go. Okay, there we go. Enjoy your day. Thank you. So guys, I'm going to do a haul of what I just got here. Well, you know, a fake haul since that these are all my own fidgets. But I just wanted to do this for fun. Okay, first thing I got is this Flexagon. A monkey noodle, marble and mesh, color changing needle, bike chain, of course, a fidget bag, free poppets, these are free, this Trimple Dimple, magnet rings, DIY, Infinity Cube, pop tube, panda squishy, slime, palette, DIY. So that's going to be it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and give this a huge thumbs up. See you in the next video. Fidget!